we're going to be trying this Asian seasoning mix right here. The brand is Pampered Chef. I'll see if I can find this online. If I can, I'll pin a link below. Here's the seasoning on a chicken breast. Now, it doesn't say to use it that way, but we do our own thing.
Well, it can be used as a dressing or marinade and
okay, yeah.
Fry dishes, wontons, so serve, like, I don't know, I'm sure it'll be fine.
But yeah, 0 calories in this blend, which is pretty cool. Has garlic, red and green bell pepper, and a handful of other delicious things, including soy sauce. Smells really nice. You can really smell the Chinese spices and the soy sauce. Yeah, I'm looking forward to giving it a try. We'll be back when it's ready. Alrighty, let me give it a try. Yeah, it has good flavor. A little bit of a heat to it.
Yeah, low kick.
Yeah. But not overwhelming. That's a nice change up from what we typically do. Let me know in the comment section if you're a fan of Asian flavors. If you are, you'll probably like this. If you've ever had this, let me know what you thought of it. Thank you so much for watching. I will make sure and try to find this online if I can. Link it below. And I'll also pin Lori's channel below so you can go check her out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.